This video demonstrates how to make a basic tomato sauce which can be used in several different dishes. The sauce could be used with pasta or as the base for a chili or bolognese. The sauce is cooked on the hob. There are many types of cookers used in schools. Become familiar with the cookers in the food room.
Add a little oil to the saucepan and turn on the heat.
Check that pupils use the right size saucepan for the hob and the amount of sauce being made. Pupils may need help to turn on the cooker, or they could be switched on before the lesson. Adding oil to a cold saucepan means that the fat doesn't spit.
When the oil is hot, add the chopped onion. Give it a stir. You may need to reduce the heat so the onion doesn't burn. Allow the onion to soften. Then stir in the crushed garlic.
Pupils need to be reminded how to carefully add ingredients to the saucepan to prevent spills and splashes. For details on how to chop an onion or crush garlic, have a look at the other videos in this series.
Next, add the chopped tomatoes, followed by some herbs, like freshly torn basil leaves, or you can use dried mixed herbs.
Herbs may be grown at school. If so, use them in lessons. Check that the heat has been turned down to prevent the bottom of the pan from burning.
Make sure that everything is stirred together. Bring the sauce to the boil, then turn down the heat and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. There are lots of additional ingredients you can add to this type of sauce. Chopped fresh chilies and olives, tuna or seafood, sliced courgettes and peppers.
Check your school policy for risk assessment, first aid and dealing with accidents. Ensure that you know and follow the school policy on dealing with and reporting any accidents, such as cuts and burns. Top tips. All ingredients should be prepared in advance, including opening cans. Check that the right size saucepans are being used. Check that the saucepans are clean at the end of the lesson.